Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The next few days will see an economic calendar packed with a variety of updates, from critical high-impact releases to secondary data. Market participants should stay prepared for any shifts these reports may trigger. Keeping watch as these data points are released will be crucial for traders. Expect potential shifts and be ready to pivot your strategies in response.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold notched a fresh record high above the $4,100 level, lifted by expectations of a rate cut this month by the U.S. Federal Reserve and an investor flight to safety after a flare-up in trade tensions between Washington and Beijing. The US dollar was lower against the safe haven Swiss franc and Japanese yen following renewed signs of strain in US-China trade relations, while the euro gained after the French government announced the proposed suspension of a landmark pension reform. Record inflows to BlackRock's crypto ETFs cement the asset manager's dominance as investors pour billions into Bitcoin and Ethereum exposure. BlackRock's iShares ETFs helped power the asset manager to a strong quarter of earnings and revenue.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 2.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROCs is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.